Chose nursing because I wanted to have a direct impact in patient care and be able to be by the bedside as much as I could.
I chose nursing so that I can become an outlet to the community and helping those that are in need and help them during their most vulnerable stages of life.
I wanted to go into the medical field, and nursing seemed like a super intimate job, and it has a ton of opportunities to go different directions and learn new stuff.
From the nursing program, we went to Costa Rica, and that was probably my favorite moments. It was a different aspect on healthcare in total, and just seeing how different the lives were there and how that impacts their care.
My favorite Alma memory regarding nursing is probably being able to go into the OR to see like C-sections and different kinds of procedures like that.
Favorite memory was probably going to Costa Rica and working with the local community and getting to experience a whole new culture for an academic reason.